Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Good afternoon.
Uh,
I'm
yeah,
good.
very
Thanks
good
for
afternoon.
asking. What about you?
Yeah,
Which part are you in India? Telangana. Okay, nice to meet you. I'm from Odisha. Have you heard about Odisha? Okay. And have you been Odisha before? Oh, okay. Are you a student or are you working? Okay. Which field are you studying? Wow. Then what's your future plan? Okay. Which country do you wanna go? Okay. Have you appeared IELTS exam? Okay, have you joined any coaching center or are you self-learner? Okay, when will you appear IELTS exam? This month. Okay. Do you wanna go to Canada to higher study or do you wanna go there to get any job? Okay. Do you wanna settle there or do you wanna come back India? Okay, so fine. Advance all the best. Okay, apart from this platform, do you use different platform to enhance your language? Oh, wow. You are practicing with the native speaker. Right, right. How much amount have you paid through platform? Because you are a premium user. Okay, so fine. And miss, how much time do you spend with Kamli application? Because you are practicing with the native speaker and you are learning from them. Okay. 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 How much time do you spend through platform? Okay. How much time? 1 hour, 2 hours, 40. Oh, wow. Then if you get a co-learner in friendly, then you can talk with them in long time, right? O- Okay, if you meet any co-learner, then do you take any topic to discuss or do you wanna interact with them in casual manner? Okay, so fine. And you tell, have you ever appeared any IELTS exam? Okay, so fine. How many languages do you know? Okay. Then can you speak Hindi? Okay, so fine. Then you know very well in Hindi. Okay, do you talk with anyone Hindi in your state, Telangana? Are Miss, do you talk with anyone in Hindi in your native place? Okay, what's your native language? Wow, that's why. Urdu and Hindi speaking part is 100% similar, right? Or alphabet or that is 110% difference. Okay, then fine. Your native language Urdu, then definitely you can speak Hindi good manner. Then you know very well Hindi and Urdu, right? Okay, apart from your state, Telangana, have you visited a different state in India? Okay, only two state, Chennai and Pune. Mm-hmm. Okay, Miss Rajasthan. Okay. Have you been there for visiting purpose or have you been there for any kind of appearing any exam or something? Okay, you are a job seeker, then you went there to appear in an interview, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, what kind of job did you do? Wow, you are an engineer. Okay, what's your qualification? What was your branch name? Okay, then you did your job in there, right? But right now, did you leave that job or are you working in there? Hmm. Okay, I got your point. Right now, you are in focusing only your IELTS exam, right? And if you succeed in IELTS exam and if you get good band to go to abroad to higher study, then you go there and you settle in Canada, right? And but right now you don't do any kind of job, right? Okay, so fine. All the best once again to lead your destination and where you want to go, you go there and you get a good band. Yeah. Then you tell means apart from this platform, do you use different platform? Okay, I asked you. You are practicing in Kamli application, right? Okay, so fine. And did you finish your lunch? Did you finish your lunch? Pardon? I installed in this platform 15 days ago. Yep. I'm a language learner. Pardon? No, I'm not a student. I'm a homemaker. I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why I'm here. And I'm interacting with the co-learner and I talk with them. I want to get my good fluency. I want to build my confidence while interacting with the co-learner. And as a Indian, we don't have any kind of atmosphere. Then we depend in this kind of free platform to interact with the co-learner. It is a better for us to get fluency and build confidence, right? Call got disconnected by the other user.